Hi, this is Cameron Page, and you're watching Cameron's Page. God, that's so cringy. This will probably be the lowest quality makeup tutorial you will ever see. I need to get something like a tripod, but for a phone. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna look on Amazon later. So I don't have anything on my face right now. Took a shower last night. That's why my hair looks like this. My face is breaking out. I use face cream first because it acts as a barrier for the makeup, so it doesn't get all up in your pores and stuff. This is the foundation I have been using. Mary Kay CC Cream in Very Light because I am pale. So I just do one pump on my forehead, one pump right here on that cheek, one pump on this cheek, and then one, put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and put the extra right just wherever. This Maybelline Master Conceal in Fair. So I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes because I have really, really bad dark circles, as you can probably tell. But that's okay. Everybody has flaws. Dab around, you know? Dab around. I'm sorry for being so cringy. It's just who I am. So I got a nice thick dewy base on. Okay, I have this e.l.f. Kabuki face brush. It's kind of old, so that's why it looks like that. And I'm using this Wet n Wild Coverall powder in the light/medium because I am cheap and I go through a lot of powder, so I can't be using no expensive powder. The only reason I don't even know how much that Mary Kay stuff cost. I just have it because my mom got it and I guess it wasn't the right color for her or something, so she just gave it to me. So I was like, okay, I'll use it. Why not? But the rest of my stuff's pretty cheap because I like money. I'm just gonna go in with this and put it like all over my face, just everywhere. I feel like makeup is like painting. I mean, I'm not very good at painting, but as you can see in my artwork right here. Because I just keep all of it in like a paint order. But the base of your makeup is just like a white like you're just trying to make it like a white canvas. Like before you have any makeup on, most people have like blemishes and skin conditions, and I have dark circles under my eyes. So that, like, the base is just we're making a clean white canvas to make our artwork on. I'm like the Bob Ross of makeup. Contour. I use this e.l.f. Total Face palette. You can see my setup. Look, there's the computer. There's my makeup mirror. But you see that Xbox thing, and then there's my phone. It's trippy. I like to use this brush. I think it says it used to say it's a highlighting brush by e.l.f. for blush. This is an Eco Tools brush. I don't know which one. I just bought a pack of them. I just really like Eco Tools brushes. one day I just dropped one. But we're just gonna go in. You can tell I use this one a lot. And you can see where the top of your ear is. And I like to go just a little bit above that. And you just rub it on. That was a little dark. Happy accidents. We'll fix it. It's fine. And you just do the same thing on the other side. And I like to go back over and just blend the crap out of it. And then I go in with the same color. And you just go, I put some right here. I go basically around just my forehead on the outside. Because I have a really round face shape. And I don't know if this actually does anything. It just makes me feel better. I feel like it makes my face look better. So I got all my bronzer on. And you can use either one of these colors. They literally kind of look the same. This one just looks a little lighter. I use this one most of the time. I just like dab it along the top of where I just put my contour. And some people like a lot of blush, some people don't. So we've got our blush on. And I'm gonna go back with my concealer, or not concealer, powder. I'm gonna get like this is the little thing that comes with it, and I'm gonna get the edge of it with some powder on it. I'm just gonna go right here, maybe a little higher up. I just go across the underneath. I guess they call that baking. Speaking of baking, I just burnt my brother-in-law's birthday cake, but he's still gonna eat it. And now I have this brush. It's like angled right here, and I'm gonna go back in with the same color that I used for my cheeks, and I'm gonna go from my eyebrow right here to right at the top of this part of my nose. So you can see I'm going from my eyebrow down in a straight line. So I have my nose contour. I'm gonna go back in and with my powder, and like it's just really dark right now, so I like to lighten it up a little bit. And sometimes I go too far in on one side, so I like to just pinch my beauty blender and just go down the middle with whatever concealer or foundation is left on it. And then go back in with this brush with my powder and just put it all over my nose just to kind of blend it. I don't know, some people like to look like Michael Jackson with their contour, but I don't. I like it to be pretty blended. So I'm blending out my nose. I'm just beating the crap out of it. And I'm just gonna go, there was a really hard line right there, so I'm just gonna kind of run this just all over. I just put powder all over. I have this eyebrow brush, also Eco Tools. I'm just gonna comb my eyebrows just like that. So I have them all brushed out. And I have this Eco Tools brush. It's really thin. It's like flat, you know. I think it's for eyeshadow. But I use it for my eyebrows also. A Modern Renaissance. It's really dirty. I'm sorry. I don't really know how to say that. Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this, it's very heavily used, as you can tell. But I used the warm taupe color. As you can see, it's almost out. But my mom has this exact same eyeshadow palette, so I might just steal hers. But I'm just gonna go in with it on my brush. And I'm gonna go, I do my eyebrows different often, but this time I'm gonna go across the bottom first. It really just depends on how I'm feeling. So I go across the bottom, just some little light strokes. You can always go darker, but you can't really go lighter. I'm gonna do this, the top right here. I do the top of the bottom, like of the tail first. And my eyebrows are never really sharp. They're more just like big and fluffy. Because I have kind of thick eyebrows. So then I'm gonna go, now that I have the bottom and the corner down here done, I'm gonna go and do the little frillies at the front, and I just go up, and I just little light strokes upward. When you do your eyebrows, pretend like you are an eyebrow hair. Like, how would an eyebrow hair go? It'd be like they go up on some parts, and then on other parts they go down. So you just have to be, you have to be the eyebrow. Be the eyebrow. Okay, and now down here we're gonna be down, because that's the way the hairs are going. You always want to go with the grain of the hair. Yeah, there's one. Kind of looks like a brick right now. I'm not mad though. It'll be fine. Oh my god, guest star on my YouTube channel. Look who's here. It's Maddie Jane.
Do you have plastic forks?
Plastic fork.
Well, I can use a real one, but
Just use a real fork. Okay, back to my eyebrow. Did you find a plastic
I
fork?
found a plastic fork.
What'd you get to
Cornbread in the
eat?
kitchen.
It's not cornbread. That's Jubal's birthday cake that I kind of burn it.
It looks like cornbread.
I forgot it was in there. And then I was like, oh crap, I was making him a cake. Sorry, Jubal. So I got my bricks done. Now we're gonna do some eyeshadow.
It's gonna be like a mukbang.
Ew. That's disgusting. I hate the sound of like people chewing, so I could never watch those. I just hate it. It's just like, whoa.
It's gonna knock me up.
So I have my Anastasia little makeup brush that this thing came with, but we're gonna use this Urban Decay Troublemaker palette, and I'm gonna use this Bailout shade all over my eyelid, just like everywhere. Okay, we back with the Troublemaker palette, and we're gonna use this shade. It's called Relish right here. And I'm gonna use the smaller end. This is the end I use for Bailout. And I'm gonna go in the corner right here. And I'm gonna go in my crease. I'm gonna use the big end to blend it. So yeah, I got that sunset look going on. I mean, it doesn't look great, but it doesn't look too bad either. And then we're gonna go to this, back to the Modern Renaissance, and use this shade, Real Gar. And I'm gonna use the small end and get some of that on there. And we're gonna go in the front right here. we want that sunset look. So we got that orange right in the inside. I'm gonna go back with a little more of the relish, just to make it more prominent. I know I'm using two different eyeshadow palettes, but if you want to use this for all of it, it also looks really pretty with these pink colors, Venetian Red or Love Letter. Now I'm gonna wipe this brush off on a paper towel for blending purposes. Because we're just gonna go and we're gonna use little circle motions and blend this baby like there's no tomorrow. What am I doing with my life right now? I basically do this every day, except I'm not filming it. Like, I talk to myself like I'm making a YouTube tutorial. Tutorial. So yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna use Girl Crush. It's like a sparkly red. Wow, I really love that audio back there. So Girl Crush, I'm gonna go over everywhere I put the pink. Okay, so my video stopped and I thought it was still filming, but it wasn't. But anyways, got the Girl Crush all over the pink part, and then I went in with this Pixie highlighter. Bought it from a friend for like $2, so I don't know how or where to get it. And I put that in the corners because like I'm doing the sunset eye, so like the eyelids, the sunset, and then the corners is like the sun setting. And then I went with the Girl Crush like on my little lash line at the bottom to like bring the whole look together. And then I put my highlight on. I used this brush, but I fan it out like this with my thumbs. And you just go on your cheekbones. And I also put highlight right underneath my eyebrow. And down my nose right here, and just on my chin like that. And use these eyelash curlers, Revlon. So yeah, now we're gonna go in with mascara. So I got my mascara on, and now I'm gonna go with this Bare Minerals lip gloss in the color Sugar. Most expensive lip gloss I've ever bought, but also the best lip gloss I've ever bought. So this is the finished look. Yeah. So it'd be really cool if you could like subscribe to my channel and like watch my videos, and I'll make more videos. And you should follow my TikTok. That is CAMPAIGEXOXO. Campage XOXO. And my Instagram, Cameron Bauer. Bauer is BAUER. And yeah.